Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Are we live? Not sure if we are. I'm getting into a trade right now. Got a beautiful setup coming in here. Trying to get ourselves going. Sat over here. I'm hearing all kinds of beats on the audio box, and we've got super volatility going to be coming in here. Let's get right into our stuff here this afternoon. Let's go. 400 companies going to be reporting after hours. Ladies and gents, we're getting right into it. I got a trade open right now, so let's come right into that good stuff. Don't forget, trading is risky and it's not for everyone. If it's for you and you want to find out how we do it, come on in here. Let's get into it. So in queue, look what we've got here. Shark back play off of the 8s, off of the 5s. Again, small risk, large reward here. I am getting myself set up for this target here. We just came in with a big cross here right on king timing. Very exciting trade here. Look at this. We got king timing as well. I mean, I couldn't pass this trade up. That's why I was trying to get the stream set up, and I just had to jump right into this one. And let's see how we go here. We've got a beautiful set here. I will take off some of my trade here if we pop past this cross here, because we're getting big on this play here. That is a big drop, just even down to target 1 right here. That is a very large drop here. 51.33s for the front side drop. On this one, Control Q if you want to do your crosshair. Basically same place. It's the same one. Same distance there. I know I've got these out in front a little bit. I can always close off a few, but I'm going to try to maximize this play here. If we can get her to go, they've got plenty of space down there. Delta came in pretty big here. This is the biggest one we've seen. See this one right here? This is a double delta. Double delta, king timing. Again, basically not much else to say here. I'd like to be able to get to a full position here if she's going to let me. Looking around. So, ES. Well, we know. We basically know right now everything is green, right? Like all these are green right now, so it's good. It's a little bit tough on that. Simply a shark back play here. We do not have the markets coming with this. So again, target 1, punching in, shark back play. If you've not studied the shark back, go and check out the videos on the shark back. Stop needs to be here at 15.149s for the top side. Yeah, so I'm right at 50. That's a good spot up there. But again, I'll pull some off if we bust over that cross. I can always re-enter. I'm just talking ahead of time about what I'm thinking here on this play. Turns into basically be a shark tail. I'm hearing aggressive sellers come in. I'm going to go ahead and add one more to this position. We're dropping. I'm going to add some more. Remember, I want to try to get to a full position. I want to get to 16 if I can on a play like this. But as I'm getting hit, oh baby, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm going to push one out just in case. On the 2s. What did we just get? Let's put it right on the front edge here for the final. There's our delta shift. Is ES coming? ES put in double crosses up top. YM turning down. RTY. RTY's on king timing but hasn't gone anywhere yet.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Red dot here. I'm missing targets. Why am I missing targets? Oh, because I manually closed some. Okay, hold on. For it.
Target filled.
Okay, I've
Target
got a naked
filled.
order here. Hold on, let's fix some of this. All right, so now I'm locking in and gonna try to hold out all the way to the front side of that shark. 33s. Take some off right there, because I did that earlier. That's why some of that didn't come on. Okay, so we're to 5s. I'm gonna get to an even number here. I got 4 on.
Short.
Give me the full drop.
Hold for a short.
Get down there. MACV is shifting to the red. Taking 2 off, 2 on, and we're touching. Taking it for target 1, huge play, holy shnikes. Could not pass that one up right there. Trade number 1. Didn't even have time to get my stuff set up as I'm coming over in here. Let's listen in. Don't forget, after hours, huge. Is it 440? 446 companies reporting tonight. Oh, shoot. Okay, 446. I wanted to just drag over just this window, please. You. All right, so from earlier when we typed this in, look at this. 446 companies reporting here after hours. Going to be a big one. And let's see what else we got set up here. This is the biggest of the earnings season yet. All week, going to be huge numbers. End of the day is going to be the best set of plays in my personal opinion. Again, easier to see how the market played out. Easy shark back play right here, off of the shark back. Everybody understand this? If you understand the shark back, type shark back down below. Remember, this is not a shark tail. This is a shark back. However, it became a tail when we got the cross inside, but this is technically these are separated, so we can't really call this a true shark tail, right? Simple shark back. This is a multi shark back play here, shark back play there, and beautiful play from backside to front. This is a big time frame. You know, you get way more down here, but we don't usually get that many ticks out of it because usually they're smaller. This was a big one on 2. Man, what a gift. Beautiful one right there on NQ. We could basically call it a day right there. That is a huge play right there. So now I want to make sure, like, I don't want to get myself over greedy here. Now I want to make sure that all the rest of my plays are solid, right? We don't want to give anything back. Let's slow our roll. Let's look at the big picture overall. Let's go to show all. Which I didn't check this on a Monday, so some of my screens might be all kinds of jacked up. Let's try it though. So we'll click on show all. Where my screen's at? Am I at the top left? Top left is YM, right ES, RTY, NQ. How about that? Hey, it's arranged properly. Fantastic. Okay, so I got my NQ in my center screen now. Man, I'm feeling real good about having that right there in my center screen. You know, remember your fastest trade setup right there, dead center. Remember, I had it off of here. We started with the small account challenge because I'm not going to be really punching in on NQ. A small account challenge, boom. Now I've got it right here, boom, right in my focal spot, bam, bam, bam. You know, getting up in there, you know, gamer style, tap, 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 making sure that you've got everything super accurate with your mouse, your keyboard movements, etc. And now, of course, over here on the right, now I've got my RTY and my YM. These are my go-tos, and ES, again, it takes me a little bit more time to get to that one, and, you know, feeling a little bit awkward trading up on ES. I'm not going to trade ES very often. The market's got to be moving extremely fast for me to be touching ES, and if the market's moving super fast, I will actually swap these two out, right? I'll put ES down here, right in my center, if ES is going to become my main, in queue up top if I'm not going to use it. So the instrument that I'm not going to be trading, I usually try to put up here in my top right. Remember, top left for me, this is my big time frame that I'm looking up here on the tide and the wave. And then of course we're entering in on those ripple charts with the MACV filtering. That's how we do things. Okay, so right here, here's my center screen in queue. Over here on the right, there's my RTY. And you guys should be able to see that. So when I click here on the show all, this is looking at my right 4 screens. Sense? So here's my center. All right, so now what's our MACV filters right now? Still green. Okay, so we still want to be looking to the long side for everything. This is again shark back play. Go watch and study that video why shark back is so powerful, why I like it. I can trade it in any direction. Beautiful play there. We've got a PRZ target down below us. We'll see if we keep going there. If the MACV turns over red, we'll take that. But we'll need a setup. Most of the setups that I'm going to be looking for still right now want to be looking to the long side. Speaking of long side, I'm sure some people got this one. Hopefully you guys got that double cross double move right there. That is a double cross with a green dot in it. You guys see that? Let's zoom into screen 6. Right, you guys see all that? Oops, sorry, screen 5. I'll get good at this at some point. From the streaming. Okay, that is a green dot and a half. That is a headshot first, then it turns into a double cross. So double cross double move doesn't put you too far. So you're looking from right here to right here, and not, you know, you're not getting a whole lot out of that, but you know, from there to there, that's a nice play. Ends up getting a full push. Again, we're not here trying to capture all that, but a double cross, double move nonetheless, and headshot pushing that up, giving you that gold line target right there. Very nice play there prior, and then us taking it back down. I mean, look at this, perfect algo box textbook, king timing, cross for the distribution finale. And a red, oh my word, just red shark up here. Amazing play. I just can't get over how awesome that first play was. Our competition here is super excited about that. Okay, I don't hear much activity now. And let's sit a minute and wait for the setup. Let's see what comes. That's my drink over in the microwave. 1 second. Okay, I have no idea where I put my coffee. So, backup plan here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ.
Okay. Oh, we got a red dot coming in here. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll do a continuation on this and see if we can go any farther. With this one, PRZ is real close here on that. But we've got a front drop that we could come all the way down here. Let's see. I don't have drawings on that. Let's we're missing something. So we want to go to our crosses, which is going to be our bubbles, and I want to draw horizontals. Let's make Mini lines.
Delta cell building.
Okay, so the next drop spot for this is going to be down here, 15 2s-ish. This I'm going to consider a continuation. Why I'm not going to get big here. Just toe in the water here. See if we get the continued dropout or not. On our NQ play, RTY is pushing down, YM's pushing down. Yes is not. And again, we know that we are going against MACV. So if this thing even starts to not look good, I will bail on this immediately.
Fib
Green
dot.
sellers,
NASDAQ
there's a green
on
dot.
the
In
twos.
fact, I'm just going to close it right there. Nope. Not worth it. Not worth it. Grade 2. Okay. Yeah, I could have held it out a little bit longer, but that's all right. I got a green dot coming in right there. If I'm just going to enter in on a little tiny red dot, you know, I've got nothing else with me here. All right, potential. If we get across, I can get long here. MACV histogram, still majority green. Yes, we just shifted red, but how many times do we always see that shift? See that shift back quite often. Wait on setup here. When I have a big windfall trade like that, remember normally, well, even in our first bit of sells on our last trading day, man, it took, you know,
Fib
three
dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
chop ups in a row. Big green coming in over here on RTY. Finger over the buy on that is
Fib
king
dot.
timing.
NASDAQ on the twos.
Do I have anything else? I don't have anything else. I'm not just going to take a naked green. That's a double dot. Okay, I'm getting long here on NQ. Double dot long. Do trade 3. Again, I don't want no big losses here. I'll keep them small. I can always re-enter if we come back. Over the close. Pushing out. There's a PRZ. I need to respect that. Put that right there on the PRZ. Ooh. PRZ down below me.
Fib dot.
I know I've got that spot right
on
there.
the twos.
I can always re-enter. I'm going to keep this nice and tight. I can always re-enter. I still want the play. What is this bebopping music? I'm talking about. Get up there. Here we go. You guys in? Oh, it didn't fill me? That's not good. Didn't even fill me there? Not cool in queue. Get up there. Timing is pretty bad here, right? It's small. So this might be the beginning of accumulation. For buyers. Ooh. Might be the fake to the long, and you drop into that zone. Let's see. Where are our golden ropes in relation? Ooh. Up at the high time frame. We are, hold on. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate. Are we gonna go? Get up there. Here are the buyers. Give me some buyers. Wow, I hear zero. I hear nothing. Are we sitting in golden ropes? Yes, it. Hi. Playing what we see here. Double dot. MACV histogram. But well aware that the histogram is, we may have a potential starting to shift here. My buyers. Do some more.
Target filled.
Excellent. Can you give me any more? Buyers. Get there. There. Get there. Don't you turn right there on that medium, dadgummit.
Target filled.
Thank you. Okay, PRZ target up above. See what I'm doing right here? All right, my runner is going to the PRZ target right there. Going. Medium.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
Ooh, all
on the
right,
twos.
closing her up. Okay, not too much. Nothing in, nothing out. Fourth trade there. We got one more in the gun. Let's see, how are we doing on time here? All right, so we're coming up pretty close into right on 3 o'clock right now. Let's see if we get some action. Okay, PRZ. Have anything else? Gold line. Oh, so let's look up here at screen 7. Look.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
I had missed this earlier. This is more confluence for us on that drop earlier. Again, shark on basically big time frame.
Fib dot.
See that pink
NASDAQ
dot right there
on
the tide and the wave. So again, NQ is our best one in play. RTY is looking pretty good too, with some space down below, but that doesn't look as good as NQ. So again, just comparing, we're liking this one. YM is looking pretty good too, coming in on king timing right here, and I'd expect, you know, a drop into the golden ropes prior to that big earnings reports release there. So safety zone is where? Where do I teach you guys? Safety zone is Golden ropes. If you said golden ropes, give yourself a gold star. And give me a negative gold star because I should have gotten long right there. I'm gonna chase this. That is a power dot HMD, and I should have already been in it, but I'm over there horsing around with some training. So you guys appreciate that, but yeah, so I should have already been in this. This is plenty of time, plenty of speed for that. Perfect entry right there on that red. I mean, just that's a beautiful entry down there. I'm in a terrible entry here. We got plenty of space on the large timing. HMD, I mean, take a screenshot of this one. HMD, power dot with double dots back behind it. We've got the red dot suction, and look at this, in between large and king. Yeah, I'm gonna take that all day, every day. Now, I'm still gonna keep my stops nice and tight in the event that I'm wrong, okay? Because again, we're 100%.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
Like it heard me. They're listening into my phone calls. Get up there. Love this run up to king timing. Look at that. It's got about 5 or 6 bars of space over to king timing. Love them to all be up. I've got a PRZ down below me now. That's dangerous. Right at 3 o'clock. So we could see some big movement coming in right here. My 5th trade. Could be the last here. Let's see. Ugh. If I lose on this one, it's going to be a bigger loss than it needed to be because of my entry, right? I'm way behind on that entry. King timing. Turn. 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 Give me a blue. Give me a blue. Give me a blue. Come on. If I don't get a blue here, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, blue. There's a blue. I'm gonna close it if we don't keep going. Get up there.
NASDAQ on the twos.
Got a blue dot coming in on YM. Get up there. Get up there. King timing. Okay, if this dive bombs, I gotta close it. Or right on king. This is going one way or the other. Right here. It's going. Which way is it gonna go? Get up there. We've got HMD in play. King timing. I don't see anything on the delta. Delta's almost just neutralized here. So we could get some further downside if that is a delta shift from before on the red. Get up there. See that PRZ target. What am I doing? PRZ target in play.
Fib dot.
Red
NASDAQ
dot. Close
on the
it.
twos.
Okay. Nothing in, nothing out on that one. We are in this very, very tight zone. Holy schnikes. Anything could happen right here. Come king. That is, here comes bonus. I've got 1 trade left in the gun. Are we going to go? Break me that red. Let's go. Gonna go?
Short. Look for a
Ooh,
short.
I don't like the sound of that. Short. Okay. Okay. Fine, then you just be that way. How rude. What's RTY looking like? Oh. Are we going? Are we going?
Fib dot.
Are
NASDAQ
we
on the
going?
twos.
Oh my word. Double red dot right here. I don't want to give it up. I don't want to give it up. I don't want to give it up. It's my final trade. Why do I not hear anymore? I need to hear some more sellers. Something. Give me something. Give me something. Give me a white cross or something. There's like no delta here, no volume, no nothing. Oh, we're cracking. Oh, come on. Oof. Such a tight zone. It's going to go any moment here. Are we going?
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Oh. Okay. We're cracking it. Okay. I don't know. I got one trade in the gun here. I got one bonus. Or we can swing for the fence here. Let's... Got plenty of time till the end of the day. We've got all these companies reporting after hours. Let's get a good one. YM. Okay, so I'm looking around at other instruments, right? Big picture. Let's see which one's just going to come up and give us the best setup. YM just broke through a blue dot here. We've got a shark coming in here on YM. Potentially something interesting right here.
Delta Vi building.
Oh, this song is so good. Give me something good. Oh, we're getting some crosses? Are we getting some crosses? Too close for a plover. We've got a PRZ cross right here. What's MacV doing? Right inside of PRZ. Alright, this will be my final one. I'm gonna toe in the water here. Put some risk on. I'll risk. I'm not gonna risk more than 500. I want to close up plus 1500, 1700-ish, probably after commissions. Somewhere around 1500, worst case scenario. Alright, inside the zone here. PRZ cross. To the short side. Put them right down in here. Even if this is accumulation zone, this would be good. We can do accumulation zone right down there. Maybe. See. See that push right down in there. We've got additional ones would be down to that gray line. I don't see anything. I don't know what we're going to get above us if we go. I don't know what's heading up there. I'm just going to close it out. Get zoomed in here. Oh, another cross. Hello, let's go. Okay, let's go. And hello.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Okay, double cross PRZ, come on, what's up? So why am I not going long here? Everybody, why is this not a double cross double move? Why is this just a double cross PRZ? Probably just answered it right there, it's a PRZ. I got a PRZ. That is a double cross reversal, my friends. Not out in the open, right? What are the rules for a double cross double move? Out in the open, not around a setup. Oh, of course. All right, let me pull my stops in. If I'm wrong. Again, final trade here. Looks like double. I should probably keep it back behind that PRZ. Give it a little room. I can always re-enter. I'm just gonna put it right there. I can always re-enter if we're right. Drop it. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there.
Fib dot.
Yes.
NASDAQ on the MACV.
Yes. Give me some more. Come on, you got a little more in you, don't you? You gonna do me like that? Are you gonna do me? You're not gonna fill me all? You're not gonna fill all of me here? Get
Fib
down
dot.
there. Get you some of that.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some. Alrighty then, that's what I'm talking about. Get you some. What's up, everybody?
All right, is that trade 6? Trade 6 for the bonus, and I'll take it. Follow us up by here and here and here, and don't forget to hang out here. This is where you're gonna learn what we're talking about. There's the 5 trades. There's your piece of paper. I am going to officially tomorrow swap it out for what will hopefully become our new lucky paper. One of our members created this for me. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. I think it's actually a sticker too. Pretty cool. But yes, got it in gold and silver here. Super excited. Thank you, Mr. Millionaire, who created those for me. Just, it looks absolutely amazing. So I don't know, what do you guys think? You vote down below. Should I stick with my lucky paper that I've had for 6-7 years? The old crinkle wrinkle? Or can we try to retire her and maybe put her right under the desk in a drawer to bring this bad boy? I think this is gonna look really nice. Let's see what you guys think. Gonna look nice. Maybe, oh, maybe I can just put it right underneath, so maybe the blessings will still pass through. Does this show up in color? Oh man, I'm gonna have to change the lighting over here. You guys can't even see how beautiful this is. I think my camera weird. Can you guys see that? Oh, you can't even really see it. I'll have to light that up somehow. Well, it looks really, really nice. So thanks again to Millionaire. I'll figure out a way to put this over here officially, but look at this. All color. The letters, the numbers, just looking freaking awesome. Is that a great pick or what? I love it. Oh, I love it. So nice. I'll get it over here and I'm gonna start using that one right there to track our trades. So thanks again, Millionaire, for sending that over. Let's come on in here and take a peek at where we're at in this this contest. Let's see what Trump thinks.
We love you. You're very special.
Oh, am I?
Very faked it.
Oh, I knew you were gonna say something, Trump.
I love it.
Okay, I'm very glad.
Okay. So shiny.
Yes, that paper is very, very shiny. Where's his
Thank you, Anthony Weiner. Look at this guy.
I don't know why it cracks me up every time. And I really like the sound of that right there. I don't know why, just it feels good. Maybe it's got the good bass to it.
Oh, yes. In a world.
Okay, enough of that. You guys are like,
Vinny, stop it. Stop being a child.
my bad. All right. All right, let's pull out our stats here. So, okay, the 9th. All right, so their commission's 24.94. Super day there, and 70% profitable. Huge profit factor. Didn't really take too much heat on any of those. Long side didn't make any money. Short side was the big money there. And yeah, there are stats for today. Let's go look at the contest all the way back to July the 5th. And I won't rehash the whole reset stuff with Bros, how he does his craziness. We've talked about that a lot, so go back to previous videos if you're trying to catch up on where we're at in the contest. We are doing pretty good right now. Not gonna dog on him or anything, but
I'm just saying. I mean, I'm just saying, bruh.
all right. So pretty much smashing Ross at this point, and 62% profitable overall, 2.47 profit factor, looking pretty darn good right there. And let's go to the fun stuff, into the analysis, and let's look at cumulative net. I have to switch this to daily, and cumulative net. That's what everybody likes to see right there. Oh, beautimus, beautimus. What else do we want to take a peek at? We want to go to net profits and switch these to hourly kind of thing. Hour of day. Oh, these are days. So we've had three red days over our contest. So that might be, I'll take a peek at. Day of week. Pretty strong overall. And again, half hour of day for the entry. Again, I'll say this is illusory. This has to do with the fact that I trade the afternoon majority of the time, okay? Doesn't mean that our system doesn't do well in the morning. It just happens to be, this is the time of day that I get to trade. You know, I've got, my kids are homeschool, stuff with the family, my wife is pregnant, so, you know, a lot of stuff that I'm doing and dealing with in the mornings, getting the kids going, all that kind of stuff, help out a lot with that. And then, so my time here with you guys is mostly in the afternoons, as we've talked about. And I actually think I found an advantage in the afternoons because I can, you know, I see how the day is kind of setting up. Oh, look at here. The dot inside of the shark. Oh, and look up here. Hold on, look at this. Getting the pink dot coming in too. Power dot shot. So we may see NQ sneak its way down into the golden ropes here. Really interesting here. We'll check the final half hour coming up. Okay, so finishing out. There's our half hour. What else do we want to look at? Hour of day. Not going to change too much. I like to see the half hour because it's all the full breakdown. But what do we want? Oh, drawdowns. Drawdowns. Next drawdown. We got to change that to daily. So there are max drawdowns around over $2,000 for max drawdowns. Average drawdowns. Do I have average? Or this should give you that stat. This should give you what your average drawdown is. Average max adverse excursion. Probably not going to be helpful either. That's per contract. A little bit difficult. That's very good for full auto. For full auto, using your max adverse excursion, we can get some good stats out of that. Yeah, I don't think what else to look at there. Okay, so that's where we're at in the contest. Don't forget, summertime at the end of this month. Gold's going away. If you want to get in with gold by September the 1st, we're launching the new website on September the 1st, which again is going to remove gold. If you are in gold, we are going to be adding one additional robot. Right now you have Lunchbot. We're probably going to be doing either 2-finger salute or headshot. You guys put your vote down in the description down below. I've got the videos out there for full auto 2-finger salute, so I believe that's the one we're going with. So you guys get that with you in gold. But then the gold is going away and it will not include full auto in the future, and gold is going completely away as you currently know it, and things will be sold separately on the website. So if you want to get in with us, if you've been on the fence, this is the best time to do it. I'm going to give you Black Friday offer plus an additional $1,000 off those you guys who are getting in this month. It is the month of August. And we're at the 9th, so again, still got a month to think about. If you haven't done the 2-week free trial, do the 2-week free trial. You have to do the 2-week free trial in order for us to give you the Black Friday offer plus the additional $1,000 off. If you guys got questions around that, come see us or talk to Casey there in the room. He'll get you set up, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, let's send out that big H-Town! See!
In a world of scammers and shammers, there arose one demigod to wreck them all, making trading great again.